Presenting the EMULTEC series, our bitumen emulsion plant, designed for precision, efficiency, and durability. Bitumen tank. The process begins here, storing and heating bitumen at the ideal temperature. Water tank prepares and conditions water to create a stable emulsion. Chemical tank accurately doses emulsifiers and stabilizers, ensuring efficient mixing for enhanced performance and longevity. Flow meter delivers precise measurement, ensuring accuracy in the emulsion manufacturing process. Colloidal mill, the heart of the system, finely shearing and homogenizing bitumen for a stable, high-quality emulsion. Control panel, advanced automation for seamless operation and absolute precision. Emulsion storage tank preserves the final blend under optimal conditions, ready for application. Blends that make the roads resilient with EMULTEC series.